This smothered chicken tastes like a $20 restaurant meal, but you can make it at home in under 30 minutes. Looking for easy dinner ideas that are rich, comforting, and full of flavor? This smothered chicken is perfect. Juicy chicken breasts, topped with crispy bacon, sweet caramelized onions, and melted cheese. Everything cooks in one pan, so cleanup is super easy. 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, a quarter teaspoon salt, a quarter teaspoon lemon pepper seasoning, 1 tablespoon oil, canola or olive oil, 8 slices bacon, 1 medium onion, sliced, a quarter cup brown sugar, half a cup shredded cheese, Colby Jack or Monterey Jack. Step 1. Season the chicken. Use salt and lemon pepper. Heat oil in a pan. Cook the chicken for 6 to 8 minutes per side until golden and fully cooked. Remove and keep warm. Step 2. Cook the bacon in the same pan until crispy. Place it on paper towels. Keep a little bacon fat in the pan. Step 3. Add sliced onions. Add brown sugar. Cook slowly. Stir often until the onions are soft, golden, and slightly sweet. Step 4. Put the chicken back into the pan. Top with bacon, then onions, then cheese. Step 5. Cover the pan. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes until the cheese melts and becomes creamy. This is one of the best dinner ideas. Easy to make, big flavor, perfect for busy nights. Serve with rice, mashed potatoes, or a simple salad. And enjoy every bite. Fork and knife with plate.